Let's make some banana bread waffles. I've been making all types of waffles lately because my toddler has this waffle obsession. The recipe will be on the screen. Pause the video, take a screenshot, write it down, whatever you want to do. Do you want to peel one banana? You peel one banana. Mommy will peel this one.
Mama.
Don't eat it. We're going to use it for baking, okay? We're going to make these waffles, banana bread waffles.
Mama.
Let's mash it up. Mash, mash, mash. I am using my stand mixer because that's what my toddler wanted to do, but you can definitely make these without a stand mixer. These are super easy to make. You combine all the wet ingredients, give them a pretty good mix, add the dry ingredients, give everything a good mix, and then cook your waffles. That's it. Pretty standard. Yeah. Little. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Fine. Yeah, that's fine. And now you cook your waffles until all the batter is used up. After that, you can keep them in the fridge. I keep mine in the fridge for about a week. They usually don't even last that long because my toddler likes to eat them for breakfast, for snack, and sometimes he likes to have a waffle before he goes to bed. And of course, he had to have the first waffle. And sorry for the messy video. My toddler wanted to help and I had to let him. Yeah.
Mama. Mama.
And that's pretty much it. They taste just like banana bread. Anyway, please do not forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.